Hello friends, welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to make a bird sitting on a branch in watercolor. So we need watercolor cakes, we need cakes or tubes, we need brushes. If you don't have these brushes, then you can use ordinary brushes, a pencil, eraser. We need watercolor sheets, any brand. Better to use 300 GSM, it will give you a better result. We need a cloth to wipe our brushes. We need a palette to arrange the colors and to prepare the colors here. We need water in a jug to wash the brushes, and we need clean water to wet the paper. So friends, first we will draw a bird, a circle, semicircle we can say. This is the head of the bird. This is the body of the bird. Here is the eye, and this is the tail. So friends, here is our drawing of the bird, and this bird is sitting on the branch of a tree. So first I am going to make the bird. I will wet only the face of the bird and beak of the bird. Normally in watercolor painting, we don't draw the design, we just do freehand. But since I am teaching, so I am showing you the drawing also. So I have wet the paper. So friends, here is our drawing of the bird, and this bird is sitting on the branch of a tree. So first I am going to make the bird. I will wet only the face of the bird and beak of the bird. Normally in watercolor painting, we don't draw the design, we just do freehand. But since I am teaching, so I am showing you the drawing also. So I have wet the paper. Now I am going to make the bird in the shades of yellow. There are two shades of yellow. Little bit we will give touch of green also, and little bit of blue. So here I will mix some water, and this is the way to prepare the base color. Every time I have to wash the brush and wipe it. Take more water and pour in this also. With the presence of water, this is a tube color, so it will become little dilute and there are no lumps. We'll make sure there are no lumps, and after this we will wash it. Now I'm going to prepare the green color. In green I can mix the yellow to make it little light color. I am using the big brush to pour water. It's clean water. We have water in two containers, one to wet the paper, which is the clean water, and one to wash the brushes, which is the dirty water. Apart from these three colors, I am going to use hues of blue color in my painting. So I will use little bit of this blue I'll wash it, wipe it, and now another blue. This is little lighter, and the third blue, which is like a sky blue or very light blue. So our palette is ready. Let's start the painting. So first I want to give a touch of dark blue here. Make sure your color is within the wet portion only, it's not spreading out. Now paper is little dry, so I am pouring more water on it and spreading the color. So here we got the watercolor effect. We'll take more of clean water and once again we'll wet the face and the body of the bird, because watercolor paper absorbs the water very fast. Now we are using the second blue and giving the strokes with light blue. Here is the outline. And that is how the body of the bird is coming. We can use dark blue color. Now we'll make the beak of the bird. So I wet the paper and now I have taken red color and bird's beak is ready. To make the eye, I have taken black color in my brush and right now I'm giving only a dot and let it dry. Then I'll put a white dot in it. Add the brown color with the brush. As you can see, there is lots of water. I'm also using the shades of yellow in between to give a mixed feeling. To make the stem, we are using 3 colors. One is light brown. Second one is dark brown and the surface is wet, and in between I am using the yellow color. So the branches of the tree are ready now. To make the background, I am going to use blue, yellow and orange color. So first step is to wet the area where I want to use the color. I am not wetting the whole of the paper, little bit area. Okay, so this is the water which is used. It is this water which is used to wet the area. Some patches, not all. Okay, your choice of colors, whatever you want to put. Now lower portion I am going to use orange color. Again, it's your choice, whatever you want to use. And then wash the brush again and use the yellow color along with orange. My background is getting dry. It's not fully dry but little bit, and now it's time to make the leaves and flowers. So to make flowers I am using dark red, which is also called Indian red, and for leaves I am using the green color. My flowers are ready on the paper. Now I am going to start making the leaves. To make the leaves I am taking green color in the brush and it's very watery color. My painting is ready. I have given a white color dot in the eye and little bit touch here, and with this our bird painting is ready. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.